तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना है कि वियना कन्वेंशन के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान चंद मामलात पर आलमी अदालत का दायरा कार तस्लीम नहीं करता और इसी मुआहदे के मुताबिक कुलभूषण यादव का मामला भी आलमी अदालत इंसाफ के दायरा इख्तियार में नहीं आता। हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना था,
स्टेट टेररिज्म इन IOK against the defenseless Kashmiris to suppress the indigenous movement for self-determination, which has been promised to them in the UN Security Council resolutions on Kashmir, has attracted global attention, as we have said in the past also. Now the saner voices, even from within India, have also been questioning Indian human rights violations in IOK. So international community needs to intervene to stop the bloodshed of Kashmiris and at the hands of the Indian occupation forces.
नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने कहा,
You have two questions you have asked me. One is about the stay order, which Indian media, on the basis of the official, I think, feedback to them, propagated that stay order has been given. Well, I think what we have noted is the commonly people in Pakistan, as also the intelligentsia in Pakistan, have already noted this thing, what you have noted, and I have seen myself a number of programs and discussions on TV channels. So this has been discussed in the public discussion, and I don't think so that there had been lengthy deliberations on this particular point and many other points. So I do not wish to add anything at this point in time in this particular context. Let's wait and see what happens. As regard your question that India has moved or India has asserted that Pakistan has violated the Vienna Convention, let me reiterate that I have said this earlier also, that after India stood exposed in state-sponsored terrorism, terror financing, spying and subversive activities, it has desperately tried to divert the world attention by presenting Kulbhushan's case from humanitarian angle. India is trying to defend a person whose actions have led to the killing of scores of innocent Pakistanis.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने मजीद कहा,
GHQ, actually, just briefly touching upon the question you asked, it is, UNMOGIP, we extend full cooperation and assistance to UNMOGIP because they are there as a matter of UN Security Council resolutions. And you understand that it is basically United Nations military observers group in India and Pakistan, and their job is to monitor the situation at the line of control as well as the working boundary. And they, as a matter of responsibility, they report in case of any ceasefire violations. Now, whenever any ceasefire violation takes place, the military authorities, they would invite them for a survey of that area so that they are able to see for themselves as to what has happened over there and make their report accordingly. So maybe this could be the reason why what you are referring to, that could be the reason. So it is, I think, MO directed which deals with the UNMOGIP. Thank you.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी, समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज़ TNN TV।